In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import or upload bank account transactions with a CSV file, 5 minutes. First, sign in to your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and continue. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, complete that as usual. Once you're in, we'll get your transactions ready for import, prepare your CSV file. The easiest way is to export your transactions directly from your online banking, choosing CSV as the format. Most banks let you pick a date range and download. Before you move on, open that file and quickly review it. Make sure it includes at least 2 essential columns, date and amount. If your bank includes extra columns like description, reference, or payee, you can keep them. They're helpful. But date and amount are the minimum. Check that dates are consistent and in a format Xero can read. Amounts use a period for decimals, and there are no merge cells, formulas, or blank rows at the top. For spending, amounts should usually be negative. For money received, positive. Back in Xero, go to the dashboard, then open Accounting and select Bank Accounts. Choose the bank account you want to import into so the transactions land in the right place. In that account, open the Manage Account menu and select Import a Statement. On the import page, you'll see an option to download Xero's CSV template. If your bank's CSV looks messy or has columns Xero can't recognize, download that template, then copy and paste your cleaned data into it. Keep the column headings intact and don't add extra header rows. When your file is ready, return to the import page, choose Select File, and pick your CSV. Click Next. If Xero asks you to map your columns, match each field carefully. Date to date, amount to amount, and if available, description or reference to the appropriate field. Double check that the sign of the amounts aligns with money in and money out. Click Next to proceed. Xero will show a preview of the transactions it's about to import. Scan it for obvious issues like duplicated lines, dates in the wrong month, or amounts that look inverted. If something's off, cancel, fix the CSV, and try again. If everything looks good, confirm the import. Your transactions will appear and be ready for reconciliation. That's it. You've manually uploaded your bank transactions using a CSV so you can keep your books up to date even when a bank feed isn't available.